start with the another question. So this is question in December 2014. Question is lambda belongs to R and consider the boundary value problem. X square y double dash plus 2 into x y dash plus lambda y equal to 0, where x belonging to close interval 1 to 2, and boundary conditions are y at 1 is 0 and y at 2 is 0. So since given boundary value problem is self adjoint and boundary condition are of the form second form, so this is the regular boundary value problem. So there are options and this notation is p lambda. So this differential equation is represented by p lambda. Then which of following is true? So first option is there exists lambda naught belongs to R such that p lambda has non-trivial solution for all lambda greater than lambda naught. Second option is lambda belongs to R such that p lambda has non-trivial solution. Is dense in or dense subset of R. And C option is f is a function from closed interval of 1 to 2 to R is a continuous function and f is non-zero for some x belonging to 1 to 2. Then there exists a solution u of p lambda such that integral 1 to 2 f into u dx is not equal to 0. And D option is there exists lambda belongs to R such that p lambda has two Li solutions. So these are four options. So since given boundary value problem is the self adjoint second order differential equation and boundary conditions are for SLP, so that is this given boundary value problem is a regular boundary value problem, and we know that the set of eigenvalues for regular boundary value problem is bounded below, unbounded above, or if set of eigenvalue is unbounded above and set of eigenvalue always countable. So first option is incorrect, since if there exists lambda naught belongs to R such that p lambda has a non-trivial solution that is p lambda has non-trivial solution for every lambda greater than lambda naught, that is every lambda greater than lambda naught is an eigenvalue. So this implies this boundary value problem has uncountable number of eigenvalue, but regular boundary value problem always has countably infinite number of eigenvalues. So first option is incorrect option. Similarly, second option is set of eigenvalues, that is lambda belongs to R, P lambda has a non-trivial solution, that is this set is set of all eigenvalue of this boundary value problem, which is countable set and it does not have any limit point, that is this set is never dense in R. So second option is also incorrect. Come to fourth option. If lambda belongs to R, P lambda has two Li solutions. Since given boundary value problem is regular boundary value problem, so implies every eigenspace is of dimension 1. So there does not exist any two Li solution corresponding to any lambda. So this D option is also incorrect. So there must be C option must be correct option. And for C option, this is given differential equation is simply second order Euler equation or Euler-Cauchy equation. You can directly solve and find this option. So answer third is only correct answer.